Was I wrong about ULTY? It appears the trend could be changing. This video is not financial advice, nor is it a recommendation. Please do your own due diligence before investing into anything. As always, first things first, let's look at the new holdings list updated as of July 1st before the pre-market open. All comments as to a company's profitability are based solely on net income, not EBIT, not EBITDA, just net income. After cash and FGXXX, which we've already gone over, is just a mutual fund that holds cash in government, so it's kind of like having treasuries. First company on this list is ARM Holdings, ticker symbol ARM. They are a semiconductor intellectual property company. They have been profitable for the last 2 quarters. They pay no dividends. Their IV is currently at 71.14%, and that is a 74th percentile IV. Next on our list is AST Space Mobile Inc., ticker symbol ASTS. They're a global cellular broadband network that they're building in space. It is currently losing money. They currently pay no dividends, and its current IV is sitting at 106.81%, and that is a 64th percentile IV. Next up is Cava Group Inc., ticker symbol CAVA. They are a Mediterranean fast casual restaurant brand. They have been profitable for multiple quarters. They currently pay no dividends. Their IV is sitting at 59.78%, and that is a 39th percentile IV. Next up is CleanSpark Inc., ticker symbol CLSK. They are a Bitcoin mining company. We've covered them before. They've been profitable for now the last 2 quarters. They pay no dividends. Their IV is sitting at 114.4%, and that is a 13th percentile IV. Moving along, we have Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN. They're a crypto exchange. They are profitable for the last 2 quarters. They currently pay no dividends. Their IV is sitting at 70.69%, and that is a 16th percentile IV. Next on our list is Carvana, ticker symbol CVNA. They are profitable on the last quarterly report. They currently pay no dividends. Their IV is at 90.88%, and that is a 25th percentile IV. Moving into the H's, we have Hims & Hers Health Inc., ticker symbol HIMS. They have been profitable for the last 2 quarters. They currently pay no dividends. Their IV is sitting at 84.27%, and that is a 93rd percentile IV. Next up, we have Robinhood, ticker symbol HOOD. They've been profitable for the last 2 quarters. They currently pay no dividends, and their IV is sitting at 71.85%, and that is a 72nd percentile IV. Rounding out the H's, we have Hut 8 Corporation, that is HUT as our ticker symbol. They're a Bitcoin mining company that was profitable the last 2 quarters. It currently pays no dividends. Its IV is at 103.29%, and that is an 18th percentile IV. Starting in the M's, we have Marathon, which is also another Bitcoin mining company, ticker symbol MARA. They've been profitable for the last 3 quarters. They currently pay no dividends. Their IV is 97.03%, and that is an 8th percentile IV. Going further into the M's, we have MicroStrategy Inc., ticker symbol MSTR. That company is currently losing money, but was profitable the quarter before this past report. It currently pays no dividends. Its IV is sitting at 93.37%, and that is a 70th percentile IV. Next up is Novavax Inc., ticker symbol NVAX. They are currently losing money. They currently pay no dividends. Their IV is sitting at 95.43%, and that is a 14th percentile IV. Moving along, we have Reddit, ticker symbol RDDT. They are currently losing money, but they were profitable on the quarter before the latest report. They currently pay no dividends. Their IV is sitting at 71.24%, and that is a 36th percentile IV. Further into the R's, we have Sunrun Inc., that is ticker symbol RUN. They are currently losing money. They currently pay no dividends. Their IV is sitting at 100.45%, and that is a 74th percentile IV. Next up, we have Supermicrocomputer Inc., ticker symbol SMCI. They have been profitable for the entire look-back period on my brokerage app, which goes back as far as Q2 of 2022. They currently pay no dividends. Their IV is sitting at 80.53%, and that is a 62nd percentile IV. Next up is Vertiv Holdings, ticker symbol VRT. Vertiv sells power systems, thermal management systems, racks, and enclosures for servers, in addition to whole server setups, including something they call the Smart Closet. They are currently losing money on the latest report, but they have been profitable on all the other quarters within my look back period. Again, as far as Q2 of 2022, they do pay dividends. Their IV is sitting at 62.72%, and that is an 80th percentile IV. And last but not least on our list is Zim Shipping, that is ticker symbol ZIM. They are profitable on the latest report. They currently do pay dividends. Their IV is sitting at 67.41%, and that is a 37th percentile IV. Now that we've seen the new holdings list, here's what I noticed. Of the 17 holdings that are not cash or FGXXX, 5 of them heavily rely on Bitcoin and or the crypto markets, and that includes Coinbase and Robinhood. 12 of the total 17 companies are in tech, but only 6 are losing money on the latest quarterly reports. I also noticed that they have sharply reduced all their pharma holdings down to only a single one that I can notice, which is Novavax Inc. Now let's see how this has affected the actual performance of ULTY on the daily chart. As you can see, it appears that the trend has gone from a downward trend to more of a horizontal trend. It's not going to the moon, but if they can at least sustain this horizontal trend throughout multiple dividend payouts and have those payouts be at least over $1, that sounds like it could be promising for the future of the ETF. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Are you buying more? Are you selling off? Are you holding or avoiding this ETF altogether? If you like this video, you might also enjoy this one here on the screen. Subscribe to join the Cash Flow Club and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a single video.